students. So in today's lecture we will solve this type of numerical. Here is a produce the truth table for the following logic circuit. So we have to find out the following circuit. This is X. Okay, what will be the output of the X? So if we taking A and B, so this is the OR gate. This becomes A plus B bar. So P is equal to A plus B bar. What is Q? Q is equal to B into C. Okay. So what is the Y? Sorry, X. X is P plus Q. P plus Q means A plus B ka bar plus BC. So we can solve this as A bar into B bar plus BC. So this is the output of the following circuit. Its answer is okay. In this way you can prepare the truth table also. This is expression, and for the truth table what we have to do? We have to do A and B. Firstly we will we will take the input A and B, we will design the output B. So A is, if A is 0, B is 0, P is 0, not 1. Okay, because that is the NOR gate. If A is 0, this is 1, this is 0. This is 1, this is 0, this is 0. This is 1, this is 1, this is 0. Because P is the NOR gate. So A plus B ka bar, A plus B is okay. Similarly you can find the Q. Q is the BC. BC is, here is AB. So how we can find BC? You can draw it as Q is equal to B into C. B into C means C, if 3 bit is 0, suppose this is C, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so if B into C is 0, sorry, यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. Okay, so B into C is 0, then it's 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is Q. And what is X? X is equal to P plus Q. So P plus Q is 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1 is the output of P plus Q. The another method to do this problem is we have to take three inputs A, B, C. 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. Okay, so this is the table. So what is P? P is equal to A plus B ka bar. So what is A plus B ka bar is 1. Here is also 1. Here is 0. Here is 0. Here is 0. 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is A plus B ka bar. What is Q? Q is equal to B into C. B into C is 0, 0, 0. Only last one will be the answer. No, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, and what is P plus Q? What is X? X is equal to P plus Q. So what is this? This is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, then 0, then 0, then 0, then 1. So this is the output. 111, 0001, 1101, 1101, 1101, 0001. So this is the output. So in this method way you can solve this type of question.